Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to create talking animation. First of all, go to google.com and search Animaker. Click on first website, which is animaker.com. So this is a website which will help you to create talking animation. Click on sign up button if you are not registered. It will redirect you to registration page. Here you can register yourself or you can log in through Gmail or Facebook account. Just click on it and it will redirect to dashboard page. We have so many options to create video for different social platforms like horizontal, vertical, square, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and TikTok. You can select any type from the list. I am going to create horizontal videos. You can create it through blank video or select templates from here. I am selecting templates. So you can see we have collection of templates. Just select any template and start working on it. I am selecting this first one template from the list. On this screen, we have one cartoon character and some text. I am editing this text, just removing these lines and adding my own text like hello. Welcome back to YouTube channel TechChimp. You can resize or locate text accordingly. Let's give a voiceover to this scene. Click on this mic icon. You can record your own voice. Add text to speech or upload voiceover also. I am going to choose text to speech option. Now paste text into this box. I am pasting text which I have written in first scene. In this box you can select gender voice also like female or male. In language list you can select your language. You can select voices too from the list like I am selecting Joy.
Hello, welcome back to YouTube channel TechChimp.
Same as it is, Matthew also has different voice and accent.
Hello, welcome back to YouTube channel TechChimp.
I am selecting Joy's voice for animation. Click Add to Timeline button. So the voice has been added to first scene. Let's play and see the results.
Hello, welcome back to YouTube channel TechChimp.
So our first scene is ready. Let's change the cartoon character expressions. You can change actions and expressions of cartoon from the list. Like you can change his hands action or you can change it to crying expressions. It has so many type of cartoon expressions and actions. You can choose accordingly. I am selecting this second number action. So actions and expressions of this cartoon has been changed. Now let's create second scene also. Here I am changing text of slide. Copy this text and paste it into text to speech box. It will give a voiceover too in this scene. Again I am selecting Joy's voice. So the voiceover is also set. I am going to change actions of this character. Let's delete other scenes from the timeline. Only 2 scenes left in this timeline. You can set voice according to the text from the timeline. So our video is ready.
Hello, welcome back to YouTube channel Tech Chimp. Subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Chimp.
If you want to change this character also, then select any character from the list and place it into scene like this. I am deleting old cartoon character and placing new character. Let's change its expressions too. So finally our video is ready. To download this video, click on Publish button and select Download Video option. Here you can select video quality, click Download button. It will start rendering your video. It will take some time to render, so have some patience. Finally, our video has been rendered. Click Download button and it will start downloading. So, video downloaded successfully. Let's check the final result.
Hello, welcome back to YouTube channel Tech Chimp. Subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Chimp.
If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.